Score one for the Hawkeyes, the cheer squad winning in tug of war at Clearwater Beach for the Outback Bowl festivities. A beautiful day on the Gulf Coast saw thousands of fans come out to support Iowa and Mississippi State ahead of Tuesday's bowl game. Sand sculptures being one of the many things to see. Iowa's fan base is outnumbering the Bulldogs as they took pictures with their favorite Hawkeyes, including TJ Hawkinson. One fan says getting some fun in the sun with the rest of the black and gold faithful is a highlight of the week.
The Outback Bowl does a great job. So the beach day is very special because you get to interact with so many fans. The teams are out here, the band's here, the cheer squad. It's obviously beautiful weather here in Florida. The Outback Bowl is wonderful for the teams, for the fans. So you get to hang out with Hawkeye fans and great friends.